Hey y'all, I'm Lindsay and this is Organically Designed, and today we're doing a total scrub down of the fridge. We're lining our fridge with those Dollar Tree contact paper and reorganizing it with some Dollar Tree bins that I found that you can see all of those finds on my February budget friendly finds. And so we're going to get started by showing you how our fridge looks right now. We did do a big grocery shopping trip today, so it is full. So we have tons of stuff to work with. I like having it super full when I go to reorganize it so that I know what my maximum capacity is really and what I need bins for and what's going to work and what's not going to work when things are stocked. All right. So let me get to showing y'all everything that's in our fridge. Everett, are you ready to show the fridge? Open it up. We see how dirty it is with little hands. Okay. So here's the inside of our fridge. As you can see, it's like overflowing with goodies and leftovers and drinks that need to be restocked. Everett. And there's an Everett in there. But you can see, if y'all like me, everything just gets so dirty. The shelves get so dirty. Everything gets sticky. And so we're doing a deep clean. And we're actually using, to clean it all with, we're going to be using the disinfecting cleaner that I made. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So over in the freezer, our freezer, as you can see, with kids going through it, everything just gets kind of shoved in there. So keeping everything in here. I mean, we've got so much stuff. So this is all going to be reorganized. I talked about the bins that I got from Dollar Tree to help with organizing some of this stuff. Gonna do that like TikTok hack that I saw. Yay. That's gonna be on my Dollar Tree finds that I posted in March. So I'm ready to get this started. With any organizing project, it's always a trial and error. So we are going to be doing some things in their original packaging because some things in my freezer are just like frozen meals. And then we are going to be doing some things that we keep a lot of, that we go through a lot, in these Sure Fresh 17 cups rectangular bins that this is the TikTok hack that I was telling y'all about. These are the bins that I showed you on my Dollar Tree mini haul. And so I'm going to show you what I'm putting in these, and it's going to be different for each household, but let's get started. These have been wiped down. So everything's been wiped down. It's just all about getting these stickers off and putting the food in. First bag, fruit. We do mix fruit. I got my pineapples. Strawberries. Bananas. These we put in like our yogurt and things. It's nice because it keeps your yogurt cold until you use it. And then your fruit's all thawed out by the time you eat it. Pizza rolls. This is a bag of 100. And with stuff like this, I'm just gonna cut the directions off. So a lot of times things come in like big, bulky boxes, and for stacking purposes it's nice, but for organization and things like that, it can kind of make it a little difficult. So like our little quick and easy pizzas that our kids can do for like easy lunches or on the go dinners and things come in a big bulky box like this. But the packages are actually super slim, so to save space, we can put them up here or down here. So, but since it's one of those kid-friendly, heatable things, those are going to go on the second shelf. So, kind of like I said, it's going to be kind of a trial and error when it comes to how things are going to fit. So we're going to play around with all of these. Cleaning it with a disinfectant spray. So the outside and the inside of my freezer and fridge is all nice and clean using my homemade disinfectant spray. Y'all excuse all the garbage in the background. Went deep cleaning the whole kitchen kind of today, so we're kind of working on everything. So here's the completed freezer. So everything's been kind of wiped down. There's those Dollar Tree bins. I put the labels on them. The directions I cut out and put on top. Kind of see, I keep my vegetables down the side and my meats all together at the bottom. The chicken and the red meat. So that's done. This tiny little freezer. So I have a side-by-side fridge. Makes everything really small. I labeled a ton in the fridge, which is makes a huge difference. It makes it a lot easier for everybody to put stuff back. I'm sorry for the light in the fridge. It's just making things look washed out, but we've got milk and big drinks on the top, and eggs and healthy snacks, and yogurt and fruits and veggies, sodas and small drinks. And then I always like to leave a shelf, and sorry, this is going to be really bright, for the meal prep. I left a little bin there. This is a Dollar Tree bin, same ones you'll see throughout the fridge. And then a space for leftovers. Sorry, y'all can't see that well. There you go. But see, those bins are the same that we saw up here. These are the skinny ones, and these are the bigger ones. But these are great because you can kind of change them out. And I used them in the kids' snack drawer too. And then I also used one in my dairy and meat bin. This is probably my most overflowed bin. So have one in there to kind of organize all the cheeses. And then of course got my kids' drink, which I always keep stock full of juice boxes, Capri Suns, miniature waters. And then coming up the fridge door, I've got kind of like miscellaneous things at the bottom. And then our condiments and marinades. Our main condiments. And then our pitcher water and juice. And then we have those last few things in that dairy corner. So this is the completed fridge. So the fridge is complete, and I'm finally getting to sit down and relax. And I just wanted to go back over those fridge liners that I used, are contact paper from the Dollar Tree. And also all the bins that I used in the fridge are from the Dollar Tree as well. So I really kept my budget as far as organization products down really low. Then on top of that, the disinfectant spray that I used, make sure y'all check that out. It worked so good on the stainless steel. I have to say, my fridge probably looks the best that it's looked in a really long time. It got stuff up so easily. I'm talking caked on syrup and jelly, and then all the smears and splatter stains and whatnot on the outside and on the top of the fridge. I mean, it cleaned it so good. So make sure y'all check out that basic homemade cleaner video of mine to get that recipe, because I'm telling y'all, that was definitely a lifesaver. And so are my other cleaning products. I'm going to be deep cleaning. It is spring. It is time to do a complete spring cleaning of the house and reorganization. Again, if you like what you saw here, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Continue to hang out at my channel by hitting the subscribe button. And as always, happy organizing, and y'all have an amazing rest of your day.